So what is, we'll start with what is a robust molding process. Why we are doing what is a robust molding process? To start with, I tell some of the myths. We many people in maybe in molding field, some people may not be doing, but people will tell that injection molding is relative a very simple process. It's just injecting the metal into the mold and it's cold and just open it. That is a myth. Actually, it is not a very simple process. It's a totally scientific process. Couple of things has to be, it's not just an experience. That is what I mean to say here. And what is a robust process? Robust process, it's a combination of all the things. It requires a good part design. What is a good part design? Good part design is a part which is which should be easy as far as possible. It should not have multiple complication. No, we should be able to do a part design which is easy as possible. Then we should follow all the plastic part design principle, the thickness of the boss, the base thickness of the part. All this comes under a product design. So we will be explaining this in detail when we go to that. And second is a material. How to select a basic material, okay, based on the part aesthetics, tolerance, and critical to the quality. So we'll be going in deep in the material selection also. And third is the mold design, optimum feed system, venting, cooling, and the robust construction. Sometimes we can see the mold size is quite huge. We say, mold size, it's so huge, not fit in the machine. There may be some background for keeping that mold size. So we'll be going to that also. Then the molding machine. Molding machine in the sense, some example is like what is the short capacity of the machine to the short size of the part we are molding it. Okay. What is the maximum time the raw material is staying inside the machine? All these things are very, very important. This is the 5 pillars we'll be going in the training. We'll be going in deep into all these aspects. And the process, the molding process should be a robust process which should have a repeatability. Okay. I'm going to the next slide. Hope you are able to see the second slide. So consistency, there are 3 consistency. One is cavity to cavity consistency. Cavity to cavity consistency meaning if there are multiple cavities in a mold, each and every cavity should behave the same way. This is a problem in many of the molds. Dimensionally, filling point of view, aesthetically, some some cavity will give a good aesthetic, but other cavity will give a poor. So cavity to cavity consistency very important. Okay. And second is a short to short consistency. Cavity we are covered. Second is once we are taken, the mold will be running continuously. We'll be taking shots. First shot to the last shot, and the mold is running one day. The starting shot and the end next day or after a 4 day, the shots should come in the same way. There could be some of the cases we can see in the morning the part is running very good. Afternoon a part gives some problem, and evening it will be okay. And even I have seen this whenever the temperature gets heated up, atmosphere get heated up, your dimension, if it is a critical part, your dimension also varies. So this is what is known as short to short consistency. So we'll be going on deep how to fix all these problems. And third is a run to run consistency. If you are doing a mold, if you are running a mold today, after the production you are lowered it, and after 1 week or 1 month you are again taking it for production. So some cases we have seen that people tell our mold was running good, now it is not running, it's having some issue. So this is a poor consistency. This is known as like a long term capability of the mold. So we will be talking on this also, how to, these are the requirement, bare minimum requirements of any molding process. So how to meet this? This is a combined, this is the combined result of all the molding process, design, everything. So we'll be going in deep to all these things. This is what we have to achieve, really speaking, everybody, consistency or repeatability and the quality.